What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be interviewing one of my students, well, two of my students actually, Myra and Felipe, and their case is a little bit unique because they came to me asking me if I can help them start and scale their brand on Amazon. So a little bit of private label. They already had a manufacturer. They had sound enclosures that they wanted to introduce to the Amazon marketplace. So my bread and butter is Amazon Wholesale. I know a thing or two about private label. I've done branded bundles on Amazon before. So I figured, hey, why not help them out? See if I can help them scale their brand on Amazon. And so we got together for an interview to kind of digest how their experience was working with me as their mentor. Started off setting up their Amazon account, hit a little bit of a hiccup there. But now 6 months into it, they've been able to get their brand successfully registered on Amazon and started generating a couple of their first few sales. So in this video, we're going to dive into their experience working with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right. So Felipe and Myra, you guys have been working with me for about 6 months. So I kind of just want to interview you guys a little bit. So what's been your experience working with me one-on-one, side by side to scale your private label brand on Amazon?
I think the process from the beginning to now has been drastically a game changer. I could say that because we didn't know how Amazon really worked, and hiring you to help us out with Amazon has definitely opened our store to the point that now we're profitable every month. And that for us, it's an investment. And we are very grateful that we were able to contact you because you have taught us so much every week in this process. And that's where the investment comes in. I'm super grateful that we were able to find you, hire you, and you were able to take us baby steps into the whole process of how to launch an Amazon store, and to the point that we are actually selling every day and we're making profit. So that has been a dramatic game changer for us.
Awesome. So where were you guys at 6 months ago with because I know you guys have been selling on eBay and you transitioned kind of half and half to Amazon, some of your products to Amazon, right? Or what's that transition been like?
So we went ahead and went full time, just, working for ourselves. We quit our job from 9 to 5, so that was also a change. So yes, we did, since we had eBay going and we were being very successful, profit margins were there. We went ahead and we were very strategic to what SKUs we were going to be using and launching on Amazon. And, in that process, we were very selective in the SKUs, and we continue to be as we continue to grow Amazon store. And now we are just trying to get more out there and understand how Amazon works. I mean, in all of this, as he was saying, when we found you, and you were up for it, we had looked for other people that they were kind of afraid what we wanted to do. They didn't really understand, but because with us, it was creating our brand, registering with the city. And you basically, what I liked about you was that every time we had a question, it was never like, oh, I don't know. It was, oh, hands-on, which is something that for us, we knew the moment that we had that little meeting with you that you were the one, just because we kept on getting, oh no, we don't mess with that. We don't know what that is all about. And I mean, you have helped us every step of the way. And even when we kind of hit like a roadblock, like opening an account with Amazon, it was trying and keep on going and giving us you always had sources. That was the one thing that we liked. And we felt that you were very hands-on and patient and understanding. And even up to now, like we are still in the baby stages, growing, and you're always available. I think that's one of the things that helps a lot.
Right. So where were you? So 6 months ago, no Amazon account. It took you guys maybe 2 months to actually get the account active, right? And then you guys didn't give up. You guys kept on going. And so how much in revenue have you guys done ever since?
Well,
Like
revenue,
ballpark.
I think we're hitting like about 2,000 a month now. So that's very impressive because we are starting with one SKU, and now we're adding a SKU every week. And then now we're starting to see that there's more impressions, there's more people adding to their cart. So even last week we had our best week for Amazon, but now this week is starting to even pick up even more. So the more time you spend on your store, the more it grows. So that's what we're seeing that even this month it might be our better month than last month. And last month we were already profitable in our business. And I think that speaks a lot because we started from nothing and now we actually have a store. And it feels good to have a store that brings in cash when you're at the gym or when you're, eating with your friends. But it does make a huge difference when you have a store with so many SKUs and people are buying. I do feel that I'm very happy for that.
Yeah, and this is just the beginning. You guys are just getting started. So what would you say to somebody who's like on the verge of wanting to get started with Amazon? They need that little extra push. So what would you guys say to somebody that's considering on like getting the business started?
I would recommend them to just go for it. You start thinking about what if. The ifs are always going to be there. But it's better to first say, I don't think it's a failing, because if you gave it a try, you did not fail. You never stay with that wonder, like, what if I would have, but what about if I don't? And at least if you fail, you try. So, and one thing we have learned is that you're going to hit roadblocks along the way, but if you are very committed and you want this, yeah, it's hard in the beginning. It's not going to be like, oh, there you go, I could quit my job now. No, it's a lot of sacrifice, but the rewarding part of it, once you look back after months have passing by, like we started very small, saying like, we got one sale that covers lunch, that covers coffee, and then up to now that is covering all our bills. We have been able to sustain our lifestyle, and that is one of the amazing parts, because now we're not asking bosses, like, can we get off? Can I leave early if you have children, if you have family events, doctor's appointments, because your bosses don't like to give you that. So I would just say the fear is always going to be there, but the outcome at the other end is very rewarding, especially just knowing that you did it. So I will say, do not focus on you may fail. It's focus on what you could become, and you will learn something. Even if you hit roadblocks, you're gonna learn so mumuch about you. And I think that's one thing that, and also too, it matters who is holding your hand along the way. I think that's very important, and who you speak to. Stay away from negative people. You need people that can encourage you running the same race as you are, because not everything is nice and dandy and colorful, but it definitely, you grow as a business person, as an entrepreneur, but you also grow as a person, and then your circle of friends starts to change because your mindset changes and your goals in life. And it's rewarding when you look, okay, 6 months ago, where was I and where I am now? And I think that is amazing.
Yeah, I want to touch on something you said that's very important. It's like the person that you have to become and embody is huge, because like a 9-to-5 mindset wouldn't even make it in the entrepreneurial journey. So you really have to like become this person that's confident, that's strong, and that doesn't give up and doesn't think about the failures. You just see ahead and you see beyond it. So I would really wanted to touch on that. I think that was amazing there.
And I do want to be grateful with you, Cynthia, because the game plan has been spot on since the beginning with you.
The roadmap, yeah.
You gave us a game plan. It's like, hey, this week we're gonna do this, and then the next week we're gonna do this, and we've been following your game plan, and I 100% am satisfied with you and with the process of everything.
Yeah, well, cheers to more. We're just getting started with the Amazon stuff, so I'm really excited to help you guys scale your business even further. And thank you guys for the interview. Appreciate you guys.